Hello students, today I am here with another interesting question. According to crystal field theory, Ni2 plus have two unpaired electrons in both octahedral and tetrahedral geometry, square planar geometry only, tetrahedral geometry only, or octahedral geometry only. So nickel 2 plus is 3d8 system. We have to see here the d orbital splitting according to crystal field theory in octahedral, square planar and tetrahedral geometry. So in octahedral geometry, the 5 degenerate d orbital will split in two levels, Eg and T2g. The T2g will consist dxy, dyz, dzx, while this will consist dx square minus y square dz square. So electronic distribution in 3d8 in 5d orbital will be like this, and it will go in T2g and Eg level like this. So the configuration is T2g6 Eg2. Here Eg has two unpaired electrons, so octahedral complexes will have two unpaired electrons. In case of tetrahedral, the splitting pattern will be like this. This is called E, this is called T2. Here 8 electrons. So here electron distribution will be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These two orbital are dx square minus y square and dz square. These three are dxy, dyz, dzx. So here also two unpaired electrons are there. This is for octahedral splitting. This is for tetrahedral. For square planar also we have to see. For square planar geometry, the four ligands are in xy plane along the x and y axis, while z axis have no ligand. So the z's orbital, the dz square orbital will be stabilized maximum, and in this situation the splitting will be like this. This is dz square, it is dxz, dyz, this is dxy, dx square minus y square. It will be destabilized most. So here the electronic configuration for D8 will be like this, and the electron will fill like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as here no degenerate orbital are available in with dxy, so in this orbital two electrons will be there. So here no unpaired electrons is here. So for this is for square planar. So for square planar geometry, we do not have no unpaired electrons. So our question was, according to crystal field theory, Ni2 plus have two unpaired electrons in both octahedral and tetrahedral geometry. This will be the answer. So students, if you have any doubt regarding this video, please let me know in comment box, and to get such interesting videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.